Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. I hope you're all well, inshallah, in the best of health and iman. So my name is Rabia and I'm a training clinical psychologist by background, currently completing a 3-year doctorate in clinical psychology. And I hold previous postgraduate degrees in cultural psychology and psychiatry, as well as psychiatric research. Now this Sunday, inshallah, I'm really excited to announce that in collaboration with Quranic Insights and Global Relief Trust, I will be facilitating a free virtual webinar that delves into mental health and well-being from the Islamic perspective. Some of the topics that I'll briefly touch on within that webinar will include the world's first documented psychiatric hospitals, which were founded within the Muslim world and inspired by Islamic literature, the holistic approach that Islam advocates for when it comes to taking care of oneself and one's well-being and mental health, as well as the common mental health conditions that people experience, and why it's important for us as Muslims to be having these conversations to alleviate stigma and to spread more awareness. So inshallah, see you there.